So next up natin, sir, more on the mobility side na to ulit. So quick recovery tayo. Deadlift ng one leg deadlift. And then promoting and improving your balance. So check. Right foot up. Tapos left yung nasa baba. Naka-plant. Then left hand. Left hand will touch the floor. And up. Okay. So same leg. 10 repetitions per leg. So inhale down. Exhale up. So tataas yung back leg. So feel the stretch dito. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Feel the stretch sa hamstrings. Touch yung floor. Tayo. Okay? Keep natin yung yung magandang posture. Again, shoulders away from your ears. Lifting chest, abs brace. Okay? Yan yung gusto nating iniiwan sa atin. Inhale, exhale up. So, lift up, deadlift, rise. So, 10, tapos switch tayo sa kabila. So, 10, and up. So, balance. Inhale, exhale. Option dito na kailangan, sir, yung toes natin nakagrip sa floor or sa shoes natin. Okay, nakakapit siyang ganun para mas maganda yung balance and stability natin. Again po, at 10 per leg, tapos 3 sets lang natin siya gagawin.